I just came out from Sokoto Correctional Center. Barr Maxwell Nnamdi Kanu is serving his prison staff. So I think I call roundabout near the Correctional Center in Sokoto here. I just came to inform him that his record of appeal. His record of appeal, we have transmitted it from Federal High Court to Court of Appeal. His appeal has been entered. I just came to share the good news with him. I came to celebrate Easter with him here and to also encourage him. So when I arrived, I went to see him. So we have a very fruitful discussion. So and his spirit is high. For those of you who think that Mazi they have bribed Mazi has agreed to be the struggle. You don't know whom you are talking about. You need to come and see him. He is committed to the struggle. That's one of the things. I don't know the kind of spirit he is. They are talking about they are going to give him pardon. You give pardon to a criminal, not a freedom fighter. I don't say so. For those of you who feel that he's going to die there so that he will take over the direction of the struggle, you are just dreaming. I'm telling you, when you see our brief of argument and everything, you will give judgment by yourself. So everybody should remain calm. Those of you who are listening to gossip, why shouldn't be listening to gossip? Why shouldn't be listening to social media? We have the people, the federal government, to destroy the struggle. Why should be listening to them? So just relax. Our appeal has been entered. This is a record of appeal. I've given him his own copy. So I will be with him here from now till Easter to celebrate Easter with him. And also, I also want to use this opportunity to thank the sister, those who are in Sokoto here taking care of him. I want to also thank you people. You guys are doing well. All the lovers of freedom. What Mazi needs from me is prayers. I hear them say, nobody can bribe him. Nobody can force him to do funny things. He's committed to the struggle. He has said it and he continues to say it. He never committed any crime. Of course, people will know that he never committed any crime. So we are committed to what we are doing. And I believe at the end of the day, at the end of the tunnel, we will see light. Thanks and God bless you.
Thank you.